Hello everybody, welcome back. So in this video, I'll show you how to basically jumpstart anything you need to jumpstart. In this case, we're gonna jumpstart the old Cub Cadet using my car. So, expose the battery over here. We have our hood popped, battery over here. We'll expose this terminal. And in this case, on my car, you have a little symbol indicator showing you where to put the black one, the negative wire. Your red is your positive, black is your negative. The same over here on this battery. You have your black is your negative, red is your positive. And obviously you want to connect red to red, black to black. Now, it's always a good idea to have a set of jumper cables in your car for emergencies. Actual emergencies, your car battery dies, you could get jumped up real quick with somebody else. Let's make sure these ends aren't touching. So, connect the red clamp to the positive terminal. Make sure you got a nice secure connection. And in this case, black to this jumping point. Some cars are different. Some cars you could connect both directly to the battery. Some cars want you using a special connection point, but make sure. Let me turn these on, those will spark. Black to black, red to red. Now that we have everything connected up, you want to start the vehicle that is gonna provide the power. So we start up the car. This should be charging the battery on the tractor. Now we got our parking brake on. If we turn the key, the tractor should start. There we go. Going here to try to get a little bit of noise reduction. But as you see, very easy to jumpstart anything. Connect your wires, make sure both vehicles are off. Connect your wires, red to red, black to black. Start up the power vehicle, the one who's going to be juicing up the other one. Then you should be able to start up the vehicle whose battery was dead. Now you want to let the vehicle whose battery was dead run for a little bit so it charges up the battery. All right, thanks again, take care, please like and subscribe, have a good one.